Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix your pin is not available issue in Windows 10 and 11. Alright, let's get started. From the login screen, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While still holding the Shift key, click on the power icon in the lower right corner and select Restart. Keep holding the Shift key until you see the blue Advanced Options screen. Once you're there, click on the Troubleshoot. Then click on Advanced Options and then select Command Prompt. When the Command Prompt window opens, let's type regedit and hit Enter to open the Registry Editor. Now inside the Registry Editor, click on the H key local machine to select it. Then go to the File menu and click on Load Hive. The File Explorer window will pop up. Click on this PC, then select the drive where Windows is installed, which is usually the C drive. Open the Windows folder, then System32, then Config. Inside the Config folder, find and select the file named Software and click on Open. Now it's going to ask you for a key name. Type msoftware, all lowercase, and click on OK. Back in the Registry Editor, expand the msoftware folder you just created under H key local machine. Then expand Microsoft. Then scroll down and expand Windows Net. Then current version. Then find and expand passwordless. Now click on Devices under Passwordless. From the right side, right-click on Device Passwordless Build Version and select Modify. And set its value to 0. Then click on OK. Now you can close the Registry Editor. And back in the Command Prompt window, let's type Exit and press Enter. You'll be back on the Advanced Options screen. Click on Turn off your PC, and now power your computer back on normally. At the login screen, select Password option, enter your password, and you should be able to log in without any issues. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.